Hello grade 3, how are you? Today inshallah we are going to talk about chapter 6, lessons from 51 to 55. Let's start with lesson 51, the connect part. There is a large auditorium with 8 rows of seating. Each row has 50 chairs. Omar thinks there are 450 chairs total. Is he correct? Use words, pictures, and numbers to explain your thinking. Okay, we have a large auditorium, okay, like this picture. He said 8 rows, each row has 50 chairs, like array. Each row has 50 chairs, and I have 8 rows. What shall we do to get the total of chairs or the number of chairs? What shall we do? The total equals, we must make times to get the total number. 8 times 50. Here we have 0. In the multiplication operation, when we have 0, you should drop the 0 in the result. Okay? And complete. 8 times 5 equals 40. So, the total here equals 400 chairs. 400 chairs, not 450. So, Omar is correct. Yes or not? Huh? Not. Omar is wrong. Omar is wrong. Okay. The apply part in the next page. Solve the problems below. Split the multiples of 10 into 10 and the other factor. For example, here I have 40. What are the factors of 40 by using the multiples of 10? The multiples of 10, it means table 10. Okay, so the factors of 40 by using the multiples of 10 are what? 10 times what equals 40? 10 times 4. So the factors of 40 are 10 and 4. Okay? Another example. When I want the factors of 70. What are the factors of 70 by using the multiples of 10? 10 times what equals 70? Yes, 10 times 7. So the factors of 70 equals 10 times 7. Okay? Let's start with number 1. 3 times 90. What shall we do here? The first step, we want to split the multiples of 10. The multiples of 10 here is 90. 9 times what equals 90? Sorry, 10 times what equals 90? 10 times 9. So 3 as it is and split 90 to their factors 9 and 10. Okay, we wanted to get the final result. What shall we do? When we have brackets, you should solve it first. Again, when you have brackets, you should solve it first. So 3 times 9 equals 27 and complete 27 times 10. I said before, when we have 0 in the multiplication operation, you should drop the 0 in the result, like this. Okay, so 27 times 10, drop the 0 and 27 times 1 equals 27. So the final answer equals 270. Another example, 9 times 20. Where is the multiples of 10 here? 20. So you should split 20 to their factors. What are the factors of 20? 10 times what equals 20? 10 times 2. So 9 as it is, and 20 split it to be 2 and 10. When we have brackets, you should solve it first. 9 times 2 equals 18. 18 times 10 equals 180. Okay? Number 3. 8 times 50. Again, put 8 as it is, and 50 split it. 10 times what? 10 times 5. So solve the brackets first. 8 times 5 equals 40, and drop the 0 of 10. So the result 4 hundredths. 6 times 70. Again, put 6 as it is and split 70. 10 times what equals 70? 7. Solve the brackets. 6 times 7, 42 times 10, 420. The next column you can solve it alone and check your answers. Okay, our challenge here, Malik bought a box of cards. In the box there were 6 smaller boxes. In each of those boxes there were 6 bags of 10 cards. 6 bags of 10 cards. To find the total number of cards he bought, Malik wrote this equation: 6 times 60 equals 360. Is he correct? Explain you know. Okay, here we have a box like this, and this box contains 6 smaller boxes, okay, like this picture. He said 6 bags of 10 cards in each small box. So, the number of cards in the small box, 6 times 10 equals 60 cards. So, each small box here has 60 cards. 60 cards. We wanted to get the total number of cards. All of this number had the total. The total, it means plus. So the total here 60 plus 60 plus 60 plus 60 plus 60 also plus 60. And we have another way. 60 here repeated how many times? 6 times. So you can get it by using the multiplication operation. 60 times 6 or 6 times 60, the same, okay, equals 360 cards. So the total number of cards of the box, 6 times 60 equals 360 cards. Then Malik is correct. Malik is correct. Let's start our math journal. Reflect on your learning about multiplying by multiples of 10. in the space. Explain the patterns you observed when multiplying a single digit by multiples of 10. Here, this example, like the previous example, we take it in the last page. Okay, so I will give you one example like this. 7 times 50. What shall we do? We wanted to split 50 to p. The factors of 50 here equals 5 and 10 by using the multiples of 10. Okay, so 7 as it is and 50 split it to be 5 times 10. When we have brackets, solve it first. 7 times 5, 35 times 10. The 0 in the multiplication operation, drop it as it is in the result. Okay, and 35 times 1 equals 35. So the final result will be 350. Multiplying by 9. Here in this part, we will learn together a new strategy to get the answers of table 9, okay, by using our fingers, and it's called finger trick strategy. Finger trick strategy, okay? Look at this picture. I have two hands. I have two hands, and each finger has a number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so here we wanted to get the result of 6 times 9. 6 times 9. Here we have steps to get the correct answer. We have steps. The first step, look at the other number. Here 6 times 9. This is table 9. Look at the other number. The other number here is 6. So, the second step, you should bend down finger number 6. You should bend down finger number 6. Okay? Like the picture. And here we have fingers on the left side and fingers on the right side. Okay. Here, left hand, it means tens home. And right hand, it means ones home. Again, left hand, it means tens home. And right hand, it means ones home. Okay, it's very important. So, how many fingers are there on the left side? How many fingers are there on the left sides? We have 5 fingers. And also, how many fingers are there on the right side? We have 4. So, the fingers on the left side, put it in tens home. Okay? So, 5 in tens, it means 5 in tens. Okay? And the fingers on the right side, 4 in ones. Okay? Again, left hand, it means tens. So here I have 5 on the left side, it means 5 in tens. And 4 on the right side, it means 4 in ones. So, the number of 5 in tens and 4 in ones is 54. 5 in tens and 4 in ones equals 54. Let's practice more to get another result. Started from 9 times 1. Here, look at the other number is 1. The first step, look at the other number. Here is 1, okay? And the second step, bend down this number on your fingers. Bend down finger number 1. Here, do you have fingers on the left side? No, I don't have. So, the tens here is absent. I don't have tens. Okay? And how many fingers on the right hand or on the right side? Sorry, on the right side. Yes, 9 fingers. And we said before, the right side, it means one's home. So here I have 9 in ones equals 9. So the result will be 9. Another example, 9 times 2. The first step, look at the other number. The other number here is 2. The second step, you should bend down finger number 2. Ask yourself, how many fingers on the left side? 1. And we said before, left side, it means tens home, okay? And how many fingers on the right side? 8 fingers, yes. So it means 8 in ones. I have 1 in tens and 8 in ones. It's equal 18. 18. 9 times 3. Look at the other number, 3. So you must bend down finger number 3. How many fingers on the left side? 2 in tens. And how many in the right, on the right side? 7 on the right side. So the number will be 27 and so on. Okay? The next page here, the apply part, finger trick strategy. After you will practice the strategy, draw an example below and use words to explain how to do it. Here I wanted to get the result of 9 times 4. So the first step is what? Look at the other number is 4. So the second step is what? Bend down finger number 4. Okay? How many fingers on the left side? Yes, 1, 2, 3. So I have 3 fingers on the left side. It means 3 tens or 30. 3 tens equals 30. Okay? How many fingers on the right side? Yes, 6 fingers. 6 fingers on the right side. It means 6 ones. And 6 ones equals 6. So the final result here, 30 plus 6 equals 36. Let's continue the apply part here. A list of equations strategy. Look at this table. We have table 9. 9 times 1, 9 times 2, 9 times 3, and so on. You should put the results of these equations, okay? 9 times 3, 27, times 4, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, and the last number 90. Okay? Here, we wanted to know another way or another strategy to get also the results of table 9. Okay? Like this. Describe the patterns you observe be sure to look at the factors and the products. The ones started by 9 and go down descending, okay? Like this, you can write the numbers from 0 to 9, from down to up, like this, and also write on the other side the numbers from 0 to 9, from up to down, from up to down. Here we have the results of table 9. 9 times 1, 9. 9 times 2, 18. 9 times 3, 27. 9 times 4, 36, and so on. Okay, this is another way and so easy. Our challenge. What additional pattern do you observe when you add the tens digit and the ones digit of each product? For example, here, when we make 0 plus 9 equals 9. When we make 1 plus 8 equals also 9. 2 plus 7 equals 9. 3 plus 6 equals 9, and so on. The addition here between the two numbers equals 9. The addition operation, or the sum of two numbers in the result, like this: 4 plus 5 equals 9, 3 plus 6 equals 9, 2 plus 7 equals 9, and so on. The sum of each product is 9. Okay? The other page, shade in all the multiples of 9. Next to the chart, here we have chart from 1 to 120. Okay? We wanted to shade the multiples of 9. The answers of table 9 here. 9 times 1, 9. 9 times 2, 18. Times 3, 27. Times 4, 36. Times 5, 45. Times 6, 54. Times 7, 63. Times 8, 72. And 9 times 9 equals 81. Okay? This is the multiples of 9. Describe the patterns you observe. We have a diagonal pattern started with 9 and each time multiplied by 9. Okay? This shape or these products like a diagonal. Okay? Our challenge: record all the multiplication equation below. Okay, here we write the equations of table 9 by its results. Here we will learn together another strategy, and this strategy not important, okay? Tens facts strategy. You can use what you know about multiplying by 10 to quickly multiply by 9. Look at the example below. The example below here, 9 times 6. First, draw a model of 10 times 6 and then cross out one group of 6. Like this. Okay, this shape, 10 times 6 equals 60. So, cancel one group of 6. It means 60 minus 6. 60, take away 6. Okay, so 60 minus 6 equals 54. So, 9 times 6 equals 54. Another example. 9 times 5. 9 times 5. Here we will get 10 times 5 equals 50. And here 5 repeated 10 times. And cancel 1 5. Cancel 1 5 or take away 1 5. It means 50 minus 5 equals 45. 9 times 7. We will get 9 times 7 from table 10. 10 times 7 equals 70 and make minus 7 to get the result. Like this. Cancel 1 7 or make minus 7. 70 minus 7 equals 63. 9 times 4. Sorry, 9 times 3. We will use table 10 to get this result. 10 times 3, it means 3 repeated 10 times. 10 times 3 equals 30. And you should cancel one group of 3. It means 30 minus 3 equals 27. The next page. 9 times 2. What shall we do? We will use table 10 also to get the result. So, 10 times 2. It means 2 repeated 10 times. And 10 times 2 equals 20. Don't forget to cancel one group of 2. It means 20 minus 2 equals 18. You can solve the other example alone and check your answers. Our challenge here, a student told me that 9 times 8 equals 70. They said they know that 10 times 8 equals 80, so 9 times 8 equals 70 because they subtracted a 10 from 80. Are they correct? Show your thinking in the box below. This is not correct. Okay, why? Because 9 times 8 we will use table 10 to get this result. So 10 times 8 equals 80. Don't forget to cancel one group of 8. It means 80 minus 8 equals 72, not 70. So 9 times 8 equals 72. This page is more practice about the timetable. You can solve it as a homework. Like example 1, 9 times 2, 9 times 0, 3 times 9. It's so easy. Do it as a homework. Record the strategies you used today. Addition strategies and multiplication strategies. Number 1, adding to 0. For example here, 0 plus 5 equals 5. 0 plus any number equals the same number. Adding to 1. For example, 1 plus 8 equals 9. Doubles. For example, 2 plus 2 equals 4, 3 plus 3 equals 6, 4 plus 4 equals 8. Counting on. 5 plus 4, big in my mind, small in my fingers. 5 in my mind, 4 in my fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the result here equals 9. Here I make counting. Add 10. 6 plus 10 equals 16. The multiplication, multiplying by 0. For example, 0 times 5 equals 0 because 0 like a hero. 0 times any number equals 0. Multiplying by 1. 1 times 8 equals 8 because 1 like a mirror. So 1 times 9 equals 9. 1 times 100 equals 100. and so on. Finger trick. We take it in table 9. 3 times 9 equals 27. Remember together, bend down, finger number 3. So, you will get 2 fingers on the left side. It means 2 in tens, and 7 fingers on the right side. It means 7 in ones. So, the number here, 27. Multiplying by 10, for example, 5 times 10 equals 50. This is the multiples of 10. The next page here, lesson 54, the apply part. Jamila said that since 9 is the digit with the largest value, the number 999 is larger than 1000. Do you agree or disagree, and why? No, because 1000 is bigger than 999. Okay, why? Because 1000 consists of 4 digits, but 999 consists of 3 digits. Puzzle number 1. This number has 5 thousands, 7 hundreds, 6 tens, and 4 ones. What number is it? The first step here, you should put the homes or the place values and put each digit in its place. 5,000, it means 5 down thousands. 700, 7 down hundreds. 6 tens, 6 down tens, and 4 down ones. It's so easy. Let's read this number together. 5,764. Puzzle 2. This number has 12 hundreds, 15 tens, and 6 ones. What number is it? What shall we do here? This is like the previous example? No. Why? Because here we have 2 digits in hundreds, 2 digits in tens. So it's different. What shall we do here? You should cancel the place value or the homes and put its zeros or its values like this and make plus to get the final answer. 0 plus 0 plus 6 equals 6. 0 plus 5 equals 5. 2 plus 1 equals 3. And 1 put it as it is. So the number here is 1356. Number 3. Write the following number in standard form. Okay, let's collect all of this number in one number. What shall we do? Put the place value on the result. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, after 3 digits we must put comma, thousands and 10,000s. Here, 6 and has 3 zeros. It means which home here? It means thousands. And 5 and 4 zeros, it means 10,000. 100 has two zeros. Two zeros. So put 3 down 100. Tens 1 0. 4 down tens. And ones no zero. Put 2. The last one, write the following number in expanded form, the opposite of the previous example. We wanted to put each digit by its value. 3 here in what? 3 here in which home? 1000. Yes. So put 3 with 3 zeros. And 5 in which home? 100. Yes. So 5 and 2 zeros. Tens here is absent, okay? The tens home here is absent. And the last digit here is 9. Number 5, Radwa ordered the following numbers from smallest to biggest. What did she do incorrectly? Okay, the right answer here, to make the order by the correct way, we have steps. The first step, you must count the digits of each number. Here, count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All of these number consists of 4 digits. So, let's make step 2. Step 2, compare from the biggest home or from the last digits. Here I have 5, 5, 5, 5. I don't know. Complete. 0 or 2 or 1 or 2. Which is smallest? Yes, 0. Which is smallest? 2 or 1 or 2? Yes, 1. And cancel. Which is smallest? I have 2 and 2. Complete. 0 or 1? Yes, which is smallest? 0, and the last one is 1. This is the correct way. Number 6. Sarah compared the numbers below. What is her error? Uh, 13,470 is the biggest or the greatest. Why? Let's compare. Let's count first. Here I have 5 digits and here I have 5 digits. So make step 2. Compare. I have 1 and 1, 3 and 3, 4 and 4, 7 and 0. Which is biggest? Yes, 7 is bigger than 0. Number 7. Order the following numbers from least to greatest. 50, 5, 500, 5,000, 1, 10,000, 500,000. Which is the smallest? Which is the smallest? Yes, 1. 5. Which is the smallest? 50. Complete. 500. 5,000. 10,000. And the last one, 500,000. And the biggest one. Our challenge, write at least one place value puzzle of your own for a number that has at least 4 10,000s. Here I will give you an example to solve. 800,000, 800,000, 4 10,000, 2 tens, 7 units. We want to collect these numbers in one number. So put the place value on the space, like this. 100,000, I have 8. So put 8 down 100,000. 10,000, you have 4. Yes. Do you have 1,000? No. It's absent. So any home absent, you should put 0. Do you have hundreds? No, also absent. 0. Tens? 2 in tens. Ones or units? 7 in ones. Okay. The next page here, the apply part. Solve the addition problems below using more strategies. Here we wanted to solve these problems by different strategies. Number 1. 97 plus 184. Here we can split 184 to be 181 plus 3 to use associative property. Okay? So write 97 as it is plus 3 plus 181. When we have brackets, you should solve it first. 97 plus 3 equals after 97, 98, 99, 100 and put 181 as it is. Here I get whole tens to be easy and you can solve it mental. Okay, so 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 8, 8, 1 plus 1, 2. So the sum here, 281. Number 2, like number 1, 483 plus 201. Let's split 200 to be 200 plus 1. Like this. So, make the associative property. 483 plus 1 plus 200. We have brackets, so you should solve it first. After 483, 484 plus 200, you can solve it here mental. It's so easy. 4 plus 2, 0 plus 4, ones with ones, tens with tens, hundreds with hundreds. 4 plus 0, 4, 8 plus 0, 8, 4 plus 2, 6. So the result 684. Number 3. Another way, put ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds, and ones with ones, tens with tens, hundreds with hundreds. So 3 plus 2, 5. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Put it together because I don't have any number to make the carry up. Also here, ones with ones. 7 plus 3. What shall we do here? Big in my mind, 7 in my mind, and 3 in my fingers. After 7, 8, 9, 10. What shall we do? Put 0 and carry up 1 on the next home. So, 1 plus 7, 8. Tens with tens. 8 plus 3, 8 in my mind, 3 in my fingers. After 8, 9, 10, 11. What shall we do? Put 1 and carry up 1 on the next home. Hundreds with hundreds. 1 plus 6, 7. Plus 2, 9. So the final result 910. By the same way, the last one. 5 plus 7, 12. 2 and carry up 1. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 3, to take tens with tens. 10, 0 and carry up 1. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 3, to take hundreds with hundreds. 12. So the final answer 1202. Here we will complete the previous example and I will give you 2 examples to solve it together. 97 plus 184. Let's solve it by regrouping. Put the place value ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds. But the hundreds in 97 is absent, so you should put 0. Okay? And solve together ones with ones, tens with tens, hundreds with hundreds. 7 plus 4 equals 11. 1 and carry up 1 on the next home. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 8, to make tens with tens. 18. 8 and carry up 1. 0 plus 1, 1 plus 1 also 2. So the result will be 281. The last one, you can solve it alone and check your answer. Our challenge here, number 1, choose one of the problems from above and write a story problem using those numbers. Sarah has 97 pounds. Her sister gives her 184 pounds. How much money does Sarah has now? Number 2, choose 4 of the sums and find the sum of those 4 numbers. Here we have 4 numbers and we want to get the sum of those numbers. Ones with ones, tens with tens, hundreds with hundreds. So here look at the ones of each number. 1 plus 4 plus 0 plus 5. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 0 and carry up 1 on the next home. Look at the tens home. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 1, 18. 18 plus 8, 26. So you should put 6 and carry up 2 on the next home. 2 plus 2, 4. Look at the hundreds. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. Plus 0, also 19. 9 and carry up 1 here on 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. So the final result 2,960. The next page here, our math journal. Reflect on your learning about addition strategies. Why is it important to learn different strategies to solve addition problems? It helps us to solve the same problem by different way, so make us think better. Thank you for listening.